Hi, my name is Judith and I'm a physiotherapist, and I'm going to talk to you about perineal massage. The perineum is the area of soft tissue connecting the vulva and the anus. Massaging it helps to prepare this area of our bodies for the experience of birthing our babies and may help reduce trauma. This area of our bodies has an amazing ability to stretch, and massage is thought to improve this ability. We are advised to start perineal massage at approximately 34 weeks pregnant. It is advised to practice it 3 to 4 times a week for 10 minutes at a time. So what do we need to start? Some quiet time after a bath or shower can work well. A natural oil such as coconut oil, almond oil or olive oil, keeping in mind any individual allergies. It's important to adopt a comfortable position. Lying in a supported position on your bed works well as it helps relax the area. You can perform the massage yourself or ask a partner to help. I want you to imagine the opening of your vagina as a clock, with 12 o'clock being just below your pubic bone and 6 o'clock being your perineum. Start firstly by applying some oil around the opening of the vagina. Use your finger to perform small circular movements from 3 o'clock all the way around to 9 o'clock to help warm the tissues. Next, using 1 or 2 thumbs, insert them into the vagina as far as the first nook. Use the pad of your thumb to apply a firm pressure towards your back passage. Sweep this pressure slowly from 3 o'clock all the way around to 9 o'clock and back again, or if using 2 thumbs, from 6 o'clock up to the sides and back again. The level of pressure should be enough to cause a slight tingling in the tissues. Maintain this sweeping dynamic pressure for up to 60 seconds. Check in with your breathing and ensure you're taking nice deep belly breaths as you apply the stretch. Be mindful of releasing your pelvic floor through the stretch to cue it for birth. Take a short break and perform the stretch 5 times. If along the way you notice any points where resistance is felt, stop at those spots and spend a little extra time there.